So we're going to talk a little bit about problem solving today. And then you're going to put those skills to work.
We've got a group of students learning respectful ways. Come along. Let's go take a look.
Part of solving a problem is listening to each other. Chad, would you say that one more time so everyone can hear you?
Trust your team and let them communicate like what they want to do too.
All right. I love respectful ways a lot. Knowing that I have everything that I need in one location, like a one-stop shop, is awesome. On your mark, set, go.
Respectful Ways is a character education program, so it teaches them leadership. It gives them strategies to be able to deal with the stressors that they're dealing with at home and in other places. And so when they come to school, we're able to use some of this language.
And with that new respectful language, a new positive culture is born. We give you the freedom to teach respectful ways on your schedule by allowing unlimited staff members access to the same digital curriculum for the whole year.
They get a weekly reminder, whether it's in my class, walking down the halls, being in the lunchroom, from seeing the signage of how we are to be respectful, how we are to be responsible, how we're able to persevere and be kind and caring to one another. What they've learned, they are able to take with them on the ball field. They're able to take with them in their home. So I like how it has affected their kindness overall.
I learned that being smart is cool and being nice to others will make them be nice to you.
I don't expect other people to have the same exact answer as I do, so I get to see everybody else's answer.
What's unique about Respectful Ways is you tailor the experience to your students' specific behavioral issues. It's an a la carte, pick-what-you-need system with over 50 modules using hundreds of research-based activities. We fulfill state and Common Core standards and custom-make content to engage your students and enhance the positive climate.
Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable.
I need help.
I've taught in many school systems, and this brought such a freshness to our curriculum. We don't have as many anger problems, or they don't flare up as enough, because somebody will right away tell them a technique from Respectful Ways, and they go, yeah, because they're all having it.
A problem is a chance to do your best. So you, with the positive problem solving rocks, gives them those tools to be able to go back into their classroom and work on those problems and understand, if I have an idea, if I have an opinion on something, how to respect another person's idea. Working together as a group and resolving their issues and having those tools to do that.
Learning about respectful ways helps people to stop arguing and stop something that they might not have been involved in.
Everyone up, quickly.
I like the promise because it teaches you to never give up and always respect each other.
Being a positive problem solver is what I do best.
Come along!